Hey, it's Ronan Segal, your accordion teacher here. Today's lesson is for the song Ciuri Ciuri, Flowers, Flowers. It's a Sicilian song. If you see my other video, it's the song that's being sung on the streets of Sicily. Right now it's under quarantine because of the COVID-19 virus. Hope that everyone is safe. We'll learn the song like we do the other songs. We'll cover the chords of the song, make sure we know all 4 of them, or 3 of them, and then I'll do a playback exercise. I'll play a few notes, you play them back. I'll do a note-by-note playthrough with calling out the notes, and then we'll finish off the lesson with some playing tips. Yeah, so here's the song. It's in D minor. I'm just going to play it quickly. Good, I know it. So let's cover the chords of the song first with our right hand. The song's in D minor, so you should know the D minor. If you don't know how to build majors and minors, you could see my lesson on building majors and minors on accordionlove.com. So D minor to A major. A major. Now, this is actually an A7 if you look at the sheet music. The A7 has the G in it. So instead of the A, C sharp, E, A, we're just going to play instead of the A here a G. And that's our A7. And then back to D minor. The only other chords that we need to know are the majors of those chords. So D major, D, F sharp, and A. Da 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 da. A7, A major, ba da da. And then B flat major. Those are all the chords of the song. I would encourage you to practice, as always, voicings and inversions of chords. Just make switching between chords easier. So D minor, A7, D major, A major, and B flat. Those are the 5 chords that are needed for the song. If you want to play the song, practice those chords, triads and arpeggios. Good, let's do a playback exercise. So I'll play a few notes twice. You pause the video and you play them back. That's the best way of learning a song. So we start off with an E minor triad. I'll play it again. Pause and you try. Good. Again. You try. The fingering I'm using there. 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Next. Again. You try. The first ending. Again. Pause and try. That's part 1. That's what I would try and memorize right now if you can. Pause the video, play it, visit the video in a few hours or tomorrow. The whole first part. The second time, it's the same first few notes. The ending is just going down. I would use my 5th finger there. And then bring your second finger over again. Try that yourself. That's the chorus. Ciuri ciuri do 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 ba da 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 da. Now we switch to the major. The D major. And I'm just referring to the sheet music. How does it go? Da 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 da. Let's play it again, note by note. Maybe 3rd finger on the A. Listen and play back. Again. Your turn. Switching to my 3rd finger. Again. You try. Again, I'm using the 3rd finger there. 3, 3, 3, 2, 1. Reach over. 2, 1, 2. Just so I have my thumb available because I know I'm going down. Again, There's a lesson on Accordion Love. There's a whole section about right hand basics. It's really important to get the finger movements, so you always have fingers available. Let's continue. Oh, let's let's play. Again. You try. This one's a little bit difficult. It helps if you remember the A major to B flat. Let's try that again. Maybe 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to end it. Again. That whole section. The fingering's a little bit strange there. Work with however your fingers work. I stumble along when I play my performance. As long as it works, that's fine. If you have a preferred fingering, maybe you start with a 2. That could work too. I tend to forget my fingering, but as long as you have enough fingers, A+. That's the song. We're not talking about timing now, we're just trying to remember how to play the song. Again, look at my blog post on how to learn a song. I'll link it in the description, but essentially you just want to sit with those over and over again and memorize it and know the song. And then just sit there like this. Maybe that's all you remember today. Let's go on to the left hand. In terms of rhythms, different ways of playing it. If you're singing along, if you're playing it quietly, I like to differentiate between the verse and the chorus. So da da ba 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 ba, right? Bass tone, tone, bass tone, tone on the D minor. Ciuri Ciuri, ba ba da ba ba, A major, A major. A major to D minor, D minor, D minor to A7, A7, A7 to D minor. That's the chorus. I don't mind it when it's that slow. You could do an alternate bass technique. It doesn't matter, you could sustain it. As long as you're consistent. The timing is weird. So right hand, land on the D and start the bass. Right? Confusing. Bass tone. Right. Right? Slightly strange, practice it slowly. Now let's go to the chorus, to the verse. Da 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 dum. A major. B flat. A, D minor. Let's look at the chords again. So ba 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 ba, D major to A major. Timing is slightly weird. B flat. Now that jump is huge. I do the jump like that so I can maintain the oompa. Oompa, oompa, bass tone, tone, bass tone, tone, bass tone. If you'd like to do that jump, increase it little by little. Again, look at the lesson about bass jumps, increasing your bass jumps on Accordion Love. But if you don't want to do it, I'll link to a video below about, there's another way to do the half step bass jump from A major. The B flat is right here. It's above the It's above my E, B, F sharp. That's a B flat. And that's my F sharp. Watch the video in the description just because I do a real breakdown of it. So from the A major, you could do this, but then you won't have the pa of that B flat because you're using the contrabass row, the +3. So I like to do the big jump. D minor. Now you can either return to the chorus, Ciuri Ciuri, or repeat the verse. In that video, there are different ways of playing it, and I'm assuming it's a folk song, so whoever's leading might want to choose it. Some playing tips. Again, depends if you're singing. I'll play the song a few times and give you some playing tips. Obviously, the song benefits, it has a simple melody. It benefits from mordents, from trills and ornaments. See my lesson about ornaments and trills. Here's what it sounds like straight. Let's play level 1, 2, and 3, let's say. Add some ornaments. Major, let's add multi-fingered melodies. Without multi-fingered melodies. If I was singing, it would be ba ba da 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 Yeah, again, lots of ways of filling in those sounds. If your voice is the melody, lots of other ways. You'll see when the two accordionists are playing from balcony to balcony, one person is doing these accents, and he's doing all these, right, all these little chord inversions and just breaking up those arpeggios. Almost like Zydeco or Cajun music. Right, if someone was doing that, I would do Ciuri Ciuri, da 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 da. Anyways, lots and lots of ways of playing that song. I hope this song brings you joy. I don't understand Italian. I'm not Italian, but I love the feeling of people singing together. And I think this song is bringing a lot of joy right now to people that are in a lot of trouble. Not a lot of trouble, you know, in quarantine, not having the best time. Let me know if you have any questions. Again, you can find instructions about all of the techniques that I've discussed on the site accordionlove.com. You can sign up for a free 3-day trial. I hope you enjoy the song. Thank you.